Hey search advertiser, did you know that you can master Google advertising in less than 30 minutes per day? I know it sounds crazy because we're so used to hearing that it takes years of experience at a no-sleep agency and millions of dollars in ad spend to be successful. And while these are important, I'm going to share 3 secrets with you today that are going to revolutionize the way that you think about Google advertising. I'm Nichole, and I'm a search advertising coach who has helped over 50 students master the art of Google search advertising all over the world. When I first learned Google Ads 7 years ago, I didn't have much female leadership around me. And to be honest, it was really hard for me to visualize myself being a head of or director. This is why I've made it my passion to inspire females just like you in search advertising. So back to those 3 secrets of how you can learn Google search advertising for leads in less than 30 minutes per day. And I know more than anyone that you might be thinking, if I put my hands up and admit that I need help with Google advertising, then should I really be in the search advertising game anyways? Well, I urge you to push through these fearful thoughts, as I'm going to show you a great way that you can upskill and actually feel good about the work you're doing. And I know some of you are also thinking, I just don't have the time to commit to this program. And again, I urge you to not get caught up in the tasks of today and really commit to your future self. So let's get to those secrets. So the first secret is quality keyword research. The big idea here is to really understand how your target customer searches for the solutions to their problem. The key here is finding keywords which have little competition, which means that not a lot of other advertisers are using that keyword in their account, but also has high search volume, which means that people are actually searching for this keyword on a monthly basis. This is so important to success because people aren't searching for the product that you have or the service that you offer. They're searching for what they need. The second secret is competitive advantage. The main thing to understand here is search marketing is extremely competitive. So how will your ad stand out on the results page? What do you have that your competitors don't have, and how can you shout this? This means that at the very core, you are offering the absolute best service that you can, and doing the research to understand how this sets you apart from your competition. And the third and final secret is automation. The main thing to understand here is that Google Ads scripts and rules, which are bits that you can set up to run in the background of your account, can seriously reduce the time you spend day to day managing your account. This is key because automating tiresome tasks can really free up your time and reduce your risk of dreaded burnout. Now I know what you're thinking. Scripts? Whoa, sound way complicated. Well, the best bit is that scripts are literally done for you templates that you can import into your Google AdWords account with just a few simple clicks. And so I've created this Google AdWords coaching program so that you can level up your Google AdWords skill set, get mentored by someone who's been there, and actually feel good about the search work you're doing. And so what this is going to do is give you access to a number of one-on-one personalized coaching sessions with me. You'll get over 10 hours of step-by-step course video trainings and over 20 different templates and time-saving lists. These course videos will be updated as the industry changes, so meet your personal search best practice manual. Lastly, you will get access to a group of female peers, so you will always have a sister to lean on. And I, your coach, who has helped over 50 students master Google AdWords all over the world. What I do is I break down the complex ideas into small, bite-sized videos and no fluff delivery. All of my students will tell you that my coaching style is very straightforward and practical. This is only for service-based businesses looking for leads, and we won't be touching on e-commerce bits. So click the link if you want to be a part of this incredible coaching program. I honestly don't know how long I'm going to keep this coaching program available, and prices will go up soon because, let's be honest, I'm only one woman, so I can only run so many sessions. So click the link and secure your sessions today while they're still available. I'm always here to help as your sister in search, and I can tell you all the amazing results I've gotten search marketers just like you who are struggling to find success in their search advertising. I will also be launching a community of sisters in search in the near future. Don't worry, with this coaching program, you will have access to this community. But today, I'm talking about the Google Adwords coaching program, which you cannot get anywhere else. So I do hope you join me, and I can